back to Two Pretty Angels. My name is Laura, and today I'm going to be showing an animal, which is my animal, which is called a pet. And my animal is a hamster. Just kidding, not a hamster. Da, da, da. It's my cat. Ooh. Good old Chloe. Who doesn't love cats? I'm trying to look around the room for yarn. Oh, Michele. Which needs any yarn, but oh, this episode is going to be like 1 minute long because I can't really be that long. She is a black, grayish, white cat. And she's adorable. And as you know, Charlotte, if you looked at her baby food challenge, her food challenge, you saw a dog in the background, which is Annie, her dog. So, if you want to see her pet, then go ahead and check out that one. And we really would like some subscribers. And Chloe would too. So hit that subscribe button, and if you like my cat, please put a like. See you later. Bye.